See this genius to my left here? Soft sit. Second stop in a week, I believe it was. This time round, he's going to teach the cop a lesson as far as soft cytology goes. Well, it doesn't work out quite that well. Let's go ahead and watch it.
Here we go again.
By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, if you like what I do, please go ahead and do so. Give us a like, say hi in the comments, and I do appreciate that.
I see you. I'm coming right over here.
So this guy decides when and where he's going to stop. When and where he's going to stop when the cop tried to pull him over. Nah, I guess I don't know why he would do that, but I think it's his nature, perhaps. So our genius here, he decided to stop at the vet. He got a sick dog with him, which is taken to the vet, which I appreciated. That's a good thing, right? You look after your pets. But you don't get to drive where you find it convenient to stop. You stop when the cop tells you to pull over. That's just what it is.
Hi there. I wasn't sure if you saw me.
What's your emergency and how can I help you?
I'm just doing a traffic stop here. Your registration's expired. Did you know that?
That's your emergency?
It's not an emergency.
Do you know it's a felony? You know it's a felony to pull somebody over with your lights if it's not an emergency?
It's not. It doesn't have to be an emergency. It's a traffic stop, sir.
Oh, the legal expert. Another one of them. Another one of them. Very, very many of those around as far as the soft sit goes, right?
I'm not operating in commerce, but I tell you what, go ahead and fill that out for me before we can proceed. I got a sick dog, and I need to take him in. So go ahead and fill that out before we can proceed.
Oh, boy. Yeah, go ahead and fill that out for me. Come on, cop. You just do what I tell you to do. Go ahead and fill it out for me. Probably not going to work well for him.
I need to see your driver's license, please.
I'm not operating in commerce. I don't use a driver's license when I'm traveling in my private business affairs. You know, the Supreme Court says that I don't need one.
Need a driver's license?
Yeah, when I'm not operating in commerce. If I'm using the road for hire, then yes, I do.
Yeah, I'd like to see that Supreme Court case that you so lightly mentioned there. I don't think you're right. I don't think you're right. I think you're embellishing a little bit there. Might be out of ignorance, but it's not the truth either, right?
But
you need to have a driver's license to operate a vehicle on the roadway, sir.
That he does.
I'm not operating in commerce.
You're operating a vehicle on the roadway.
On the public road, and I have an unalienable right to do that, to travel. Do you know that?
With a driver's license.
No.
If you're driving a vehicle. You can travel.
I'm not driving a vehicle. I am traveling in my automobile.
You're driving your automobile.
No, I'm not a driver because
You're
I'm not in commerce. No, I'm not in commerce. Go ahead and fill that out for me, and then I can
see your driver's license, please.
I don't use a driver's license, and I don't have one.
You don't have a valid driver's license?
No, I'm not operating in commerce in my private business affairs.
Okay. How about your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
My name's Officer Schumacher.
What is your name? You've got a name.
This guy must be so fun. he must be the life of the party, this guy. I can just imagine all the pearls of wisdom that comes out of his mouth. Must be amazing. Especially concerning soft cytology. I think he's great at that.
don't have a name?
Officer Schumacher.
Look, we can sit here for 30 minutes, and then you're going to call in, and you're going to let me go. Or we can sit and play this game.
You, sir.
Huh?
I don't plan on arresting you.
Okay, so if you're not going to read me my Miranda rights and charge me with a crime, I'm free to go, yeah?
No, you're not free to go. You're
So that I'm under arrest.
right now.
So I'm under arrest.
You're being detained.
So I'm under arrest.
No, sir, you're being detained.
If I'm detained in my private business affairs without a victim, without a crime, I'm under arrest. So read me my Miranda rights,
the
or I'm.
The state of Illinois. You're operating.
The victim is the victim can't be the state of Illinois, because the state of Illinois is a corporation. You got to have a victim. You got to have a flesh and blood man. Okay.
The state of Illinois can be a victim.
No, the state of Illinois is not a victim. Look.
Well, the state, i.e. the people of the state, right? They are the victim. You are breaking the laws which they all have to follow. They're the victim. But then again, you know, you're too clever for that.
I'm traveling in my private automobile. I'm not in commerce.
I'd love to see a video where this guy actually gets arrested. If you know of a video where this guy actually gets arrested, I'd love to see that video. I think this is the second video I've done of this guy. He had a encounter with the cops a week prior to this one. And I think I've done that one, if I'm not mistaken. But if you have one where he actually gets arrested, I would love to see that.
What was your name again, sir?
Can't ever find anything when I'm looking for it. Hey.
Could I get that name, sir?
I'm not operating in commerce.
It doesn't
matter. Oh, it very much matters.
No.
Yeah, it very much matters. And the fact that you guys don't know that, I understand. You're doing the job you've been trained to do.
I'm not saying this guy is arrogant, right? But this guy is arrogant. He must be fun to be around. Arguing out of a point of stupidity, which he sees as wisdom. That's my opinion, obviously.
But unless you've got a victim and you've got a crime, you're going to read me my Miranda rights.
No, we don't have to do that.
You're detaining me.
You're not dictating this traffic stop. He needs your name and date of birth, and you're going to be out of here. Okay.
Copper's not exactly folding this time around, is he? Wonder why. What to do.
I don't use a driver's license when I'm traveling in my private business affairs in my private automobile.
Sir,
I have an unalienable right to travel. I'm sorry you folks don't know that.
Yeah, you can try that story in court with the judge, not with the cop. He's got to do what he's got to do. And that's what it is. Argue in court, not on the side of the road. Never works.
your name Thomas? Sir. Sir. Excuse me, sir.
I hear you yapping.
Is your name Thomas Olmsted?
What is your name?
My name's Officer Schumacher. TCOM 112, you have a 27 status for that individual. Okay, well you can take that to your court case for the traffic citation.
Well, that's the right thing to say, right? Take it to court. I'm not interested. Take it to court. Convince the judge. Cop did the right thing there.
Write the stinking ticket then.
I need your name and your driver's license.
I don't use a driver's license when I'm
I
traveling.
can't write a citation to nobody.
Well, you have a crime? You have a victim?
I'm going to need your name or you're going to be arrested for obstructing justice. Okay?
That would be good because that would get expensive. So if you want to arrest me, you already have me under arrest.
You're not under
You're
arrest.
detaining me. So read me my rights or I'm free to go. I have a passport. Would you like to see my passport?
Absolutely. Can I see that?
Sure. What's your RAS?
Expired sticker.
That's your reasonable articulable suspicion that I'm operating in commerce? That's your SAF?
No.
What's your SAF?
It's a violation of the Illinois Vehicle Code to operate a motor vehicle on road with expired registration.
That's true. If I was operating in commerce, that's true. If I was operating in commerce, but I'm not.
Okay. Gotcha. So the no laws apply to you then?
No, that's not true at all.
Does this guy irritate you as much as he does me? He really irritates me. The previous video as well, that guy also irritated me. I should choose these videos more carefully, man. Well, don't know what's wrong with me.
If I injure somebody, if I commit a crime, if I damage somebody's property, if I trespass on somebody's rights, I damn well better be held accountable, and I would expect to be. You don't have a crime here.
You're building a mountain out of a molehill is what you're doing, sir.
You think so?
Yep.
We'll see.
Yeah, you shouldn't believe all the YouTube soft-set gurus, you know? Shouldn't believe all of them. Do your own research.
Were you wearing that seatbelt before I stopped you?
Going to fill out that paper? I'm going to assume that you're not going to.
CCOM 112. 27 right. You do have a driver's license, sir.
I do not.
It is expired, but you do have a driver's license. You can have that back.
Thank you. We finally decided to I do exercise.
You gonna run this?
Yeah, I already did, sir.
Oh, you already ran it?
Yeah. That's simple.
All right, now the vet is coming out to pick up the dog. Sick dog in the car. Vet is coming to pick him up. I think that's cool.
Can you take him in now? He's probably thrown it up since 2 o'clock. He's probably thrown up 5 times, and he's had diarrhea since midnight.
We're gonna run some blood work.
What are we gonna do? I gave him some Italian beef yesterday for lunch, and I shouldn't have done that.
No, you shouldn't have. Shouldn't have.
So I think that's what happened.
Yep, probably.
All right, Mr. Olmsted. Here's your citations. You're getting one for the expired registration, you're getting one for the expired driver's license, and you're getting one for no proof of insurance, all right? You understand that?
I don't stand under anything.
Okay.
I do not consent to contract with you.
Please, if you know of a video where this guy gets arrested, I want to see it. I need to see it. Oh boy, this guy, he's something special.
You don't have to. So your court date's going to be
Oh, I absolutely have the
May
right
9th,
to
2023 at 9 a.m.
I
Coles County
absolutely
Courthouse,
have
okay?
the right to not accept your contract.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. I don't need anything else from you. You're not allowed to drive this on the road, though, okay? It's not right on the roadway.
All right, so this is where this video cut out. He's obviously not going to not drive on the roadways. He's just going to take off. Based on his past experiences, you know, history in the past. Yeah, this guy is he's a real gem, I believe. I don't know. Good thing that he took the dog to the vet, though. I like that. That I appreciate from him. Other than that, yeah, I don't like him very much, but that's just me. He might be a great guy. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate your time. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and say in the comments. It does help us a lot. I'll see you in the next one.